Hey there, fellow product enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're about to solve a common kitchen dilemma, the missing refrigerator handle. Get ready to discover the LEVOSHUA magnetic refrigerator door handle, a simple yet innovative solution. Let's dive in. Ever found yourself tugging at your fridge door only to realize the handle's missing? We've been there too. But fear not, because LEVOSHUA has come up with a clever magnetic door handle that's here to save the day. Let's talk about installation. This package includes one magnetic refrigerator door handle with not one, but two super strong magnets. These magnets attach firmly to the fridge surface without pulling off. But before you purchase, make sure your fridge is magnetic. A quick test with any magnetic product will do the trick. Here's where it gets interesting. Once you've attached the handle to the metal surface, it's not going anywhere. Those super strong magnets hold it firmly in place. If you need to reposition the handle, just give it a pull with a little effort and stick it back on. Quality matters, and that's why the LEVOSHUA magnetic handle is made of aluminum material. The magnets are encased in rubber, ensuring they won't rust over time. Plus, they won't scratch your precious appliances, keeping them looking as good as new. Not just for fridges, this handle is versatile. It's suitable for any smooth metal appliance, like stoves, ovens, dishwashers, washing machines, dryers, and even metal entry doors or garage doors. Keep in mind, though, it won't work on stainless steel appliances as they're not magnetic. Now, let's talk about size. The LEVOSHUA magnetic door handle is about 13.9 inches in length, including the magnet. It sits approximately 1.7 inches away from the surface of the fridge, making it comfortable and convenient to use. And there you have it, folks, the LEVOSHUA magnetic refrigerator door handle. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more innovative product explorations right here on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, keep your fridge handy and hassle-free. This is Product Critique, signing off.